Is your Honda's car alarm randomly going off? It's a common issue, especially in models like the Civic, Accord, CRV, and Pilot. The most frequent culprits are related to the door ajar sensor, hood switch, key fob, or your car's battery. Start by checking your dashboard for a door ajar light. If it's on, even faintly, a faulty door latch switch is likely the cause. The hood switch, located under the hood latch, can also trigger the alarm if misaligned or damaged. Weak key fob batteries are another prime suspect. Try replacing the battery, CR2032, and see if that solves the problem. Finally, a weak car battery below 12.4 volts can cause all sorts of electrical gremlins, including false alarms. The BCM can be affected by parasitic drains from faulty relays. Start with these checks. They account for 80% of Honda alarm problems. For door ajar issues, inspect the door latch switches for corrosion and lubricate them with silicone spray. A multimeter should read 0 ohms when the door is closed. For hood switch problems, visually inspect the switch for misalignment or damage. Many online tutorials, like those from Scotty Kilmer, demonstrate how to adjust it. If replacing the key fob battery doesn't work, try reprogramming the fob by cycling the ignition 10 times. Check your owner's manual for specific instructions. You can use an OBD2 scanner to look for trouble codes like B186, hood ajar, or B126, door switch. If these steps don't resolve the issue, the problem might be with the body control module, BCM, or other complex electrical systems. In these cases, it's best to consult a professional mechanic. They have specialized tools, like Honda's HDS software, to diagnose and repair these issues. Ignoring alarm codes can lead to bigger issues like theft. As a safety precaution, always disconnect the car battery before working on electrical components to prevent shorts.